Colors too bright, faces too blurred, and yet this series became an American elegy. In June 1968, Magnum photographer Paul Fusco boarded the funeral train carrying Robert F. Kennedy's coffin on assignment for Look magazine. But the body wasn't the focus. He turned his lens outward, toward the grieving strangers leaning the tracks. Shot on a vibrant Kodachrome film, the images felt too vivid for a day of mourning. Many were blurred by the train's motion, echoing the emotional turbulence of a nation in shock. Each frame, gestures of respect, tears, silent prayers capture raw, unscripted sorrow. Yet, only a few shots were published, offering a narrow perspective. For 30 years, the photograph remained unseen, buried like the grief they preserved, until they resurfaced, revealing a deep collective humanity. What does it mean to witness history not from the front lines, but from a window? Follow us for more incredible stories.